Who doesn't love sweets? Most of us do, and yet, some of us can't or shouldn't eat sugar. There are no ideal sweeteners that can replace sugar with all the good benefits of sugar, but also with a low glycemic index and low net carbohydrates. With SugarNess and JOMO, it becomes a reality. SugarNess is a new way for all of us to enjoy the sweetness of sugar, but without the problems associated with sugar. Get ready for a sweet experience with 97% less sugar. So what is the magic? Our breakthrough blend, along with unique production processes, makes a smart use of 5 recommended sweeteners to balance flavor, texture, volume, and cost, while overcoming raw materials deficiencies such as aftertaste. SugarNess is zero sugar, zero compromise, and 100% joy. But innovation doesn't stop here. It's the foundation of something bigger: JOMO chocolates and protein bars. Let's start with the chocolate. We have 11 bars: dark chocolate, white chocolate style, and milk chocolate style. We also have 2 covered nuts products with a groundbreaking secret manufacturing process. They all have the SugarNess benefits and are also vegan. Based on the technology of our JOMO chocolate products, we've created a new line of unique protein bars. Each of our 5 crunchy bars combines all the benefits of SugarNess and JOMO chocolate, complete non-GMO soy protein, and exceptional nutritional values. JOMO products are great solutions to real pain and are an excellent answer to understanding that we can enjoy life without milk and sugar. Learn more in JOMO-chocolate.com.